Hello again, my name's Gabe Zolma. Hey, I got a question. Who out there thinks that the Supreme Court might be in the bag? And the reason that I ask this question is if you take a look at some of the decisions or lack of intervention that the Supreme Court has done based on a number of unconstitutional areas that the usurper has dictated in. For example, DOMA, the Defense of Marriage Act, was passed into law. Yet when Obama sidestepped it, the Supreme Court did nothing. Didn't as much as comment one way or another. We know what Justice Roberts did when it came to Obamacare. He deemed it a tax. When the Supreme Court knew all along that how that became law was illegal. And that's when Harry Reid took a bill that the Senate received from the House. And the Senate took out the documents within that bill and replaced it with Obamacare. That's fraud. What has the Supreme Court done? Nothing. No, absolutely nothing. Now, look what they're doing as far as the immigration law is concerned when Obama sidestepped that as well. What did the Supreme Court do? Nothing. Well, we know that Obama's placed Elena Kagan, who was his attorney that buried his past with the help of the law firm that the less than honorable Attorney General Eric H. Holder used to be a partner in. We also know that he placed Sonia Sotomayor onto the Supreme Court. And we know there's also a number of whacked out, completely whacked out Democrats on the Supreme Court. What about the supposed Republicans? Have they defected? I gotta believe that the NSA, the data mining, has compromised, as I said, more than once, numerous members of not only the Supreme Court, but of every other court. And not only of every other court, but of the 535 congressional representatives, maybe 15, maybe 20 haven't been compromised because they did nothing that would have compromised them. But the rest of them, I gotta believe they've all been compromised. We don't have a rule of law that works in this country. If we did, Obama would have been arrested a long time ago. Obama has admitted murdering American citizens with his drones. Obama has admitted funding, equipping, training the enemies of America, which is a treasonous act. What's come of any of that? Nothing. Can you not see that the country is truly lost? Can you not see that there is no rule of law? Can you not see that unless our military intervenes and honors their oath of office, which is to protect us from all enemies, both foreign and domestic, we're done. America is on the decline. And if it isn't stopped, there'll be nothing left. Sharia law is what he wants. The caliphate is what he wants. He was put into the role that he's in to do exactly what he's doing. And nobody is doing a damn thing to stop him. It's really sad. It's really sad to see a great nation being destroyed because of the greed of so many people that are willing to turn away, that are willing to deny any kind of protection to the American people. None of them have honored their oath of office, nor has the military. If they would have protected us from this evil, but they haven't. Scary, is it not? I think so. What do you think?